Basement build out. All right, here we go. Still a mess. Just getting back to this project. Pool table. Yep, got my permits. Already passed inspection for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. So this is what it looks like. This is gonna be a family room setup. I ran some cables for AV. Got two Cat5 and an HDMI cable right here. That would be power. Got speaker cables for what will be recessed speakers. I think there'll be a 7.2 in here. We got two ceiling mounted speakers that's gonna go there. We got another one that's gonna go here on both sides. This is gonna be the control center. Ran a whole bunch of cables. As you can see, it's a whole lot of cables. Whole lot of cables. There's some behind the rack as well. Bunch of Cat5 and HDMI cables. This is gonna be my wife's craft room. Yep, there's my hat I've been looking for. Yep, so she's also gonna get a TV in here. One of the things I also did, I ran a 3.5 millimeter so that she can have a Amazon Echo in here, wired to the rack, and she'll be able to tell it to play some music, and it'll play through her two speakers that I put in here. One there and one there. This is gonna be the gym. There'll be a speaker there and a speaker over there. And a wired for HDMI, Cat5, and also an Amazon Echo going back to the rack. So the speakers will come through here. Also ran two cables to HDMI. One will be for TV, the other one will be for security camera, so that if you're in the gym, you can view the security camera, because you know you're sort of in the back of the room. Again, that's going to be control center where all those cables at some point will be wired up. Got two speakers here as well. One will go there. The other one will go here. And I think I wired two speakers for what will be a kitchenette. There goes one right there. The other one is going to be right there. We'll have a small kitchenette over here. It's got the sink pump already in. And the refrigerator will go over there. We did add the French door to get things in and out fairly easy and to let more light into the basement. So I think that's going to work out fine. Also wired a TV here as well. Cat5 and an HDMI cable. That's going back to the rack. I think since you're going to be sitting here, you won't be able to see the TV in the family room. So we'll DA the HDMI from the family room TV to this one. So whatever is playing on the family room TV, you can also see it here. I think that was a good idea. And this will be storage under the stairs. Gonna have a security camera, well, security monitor right here. I ran two HDMI cable, Cat5. So I can switch between TV and camera if I wanted to. Did the same thing here. That's the HVAC room. Right now there's a bunch of just cables back here. As you can see, that's the rack area. I ran a subwoofer cable here. So that would be the second sub. The other one would be on the front right over there. This is where all the magic happens. So this is gonna be a little game room. It was closed in, so we took the wall out. They had to put this beam up. And it used to be storage. We've moved storage over to this location. And same thing here. 2 HDMI cable, Cat5, and an HDMI cable down to the bottom. In the event somebody brings in a game console, they'll be able to just plug it up. Got this wired for 2 HDMI, one for security camera, the other one is going to be for whatever is playing in the theater room. We'll then play outside. My bulb is out in here, so I can hold it down. So this will be the theater room. I was working on it, but then took a break. It was a lot of work getting to this point. But got to manage the budget to get stuff done, so now we're back at it again. So there's going to be a TV recessed in that wall, center channel, and a sub. And then I'm going to have a speaker in this cubby right here. And I'm going to have another speaker in this cubby right here. There goes the screen that's going to be mounted in the ceiling. I still got to work on getting it leveled and straightened up. But for the most part, it's there. Got all this cable that's running behind what will be an enclosed wall. This will be an AV rack. This is going to house the AV equipment for this room. All the cables have already been ran. So it's going to be a decent size. Yep. Got the cables for the projector. And we do have one window in here. So I ran a Cat5 to the window just in case I wanted to install electric shades. And all the speaker cables are ran. Got one there. Got one here. Got one here. And the sub. One of the sub is going to live right here. This is all the stuff that was left for the builder when they build this place. Speaker. Another speaker. I got two in the ceiling as well. So I think I wired it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I wired it for 13.2. I may not use all of it, but got to have the wire in place in the event that you want to add some more. Because once the walls go up, that's going to be it. And that's the whole basement. Hopefully, I'll keep going and make some more videos. Been watching you guys do your thing on YouTube. Appreciate all the help. There's a bunch of videos on home theater and electrical work and whatnot. And thank you guys for putting your videos out there because I've learned quite a bit. So this is before. Used to be a half wall right here. We took that down and added this beam to open it all the way up to try to bring some more light. And there was a wall all the way across here. We took that down and it's load bearing, so we had to put the big beams up there as well. So lots going on down here. Hopefully we can get it all done before the end of the year. I'll make some videos showing you progress. And once again, I appreciate all you guys on YouTube making videos, finishing off your basement. Next time I make a video, I'll call out some names. I can't remember everybody. So I'll call some names out because, again, because of your videos, I've been able to do quite a bit of work myself. So definitely appreciate that. Looking forward to getting this space done. So it's going to be our COVID escape. Since we can't really go anywhere anymore, it seems like. Anyway, guys, appreciate you guys again. You can subscribe to see progress if you feel like it. And that's it for now. Adios. Until next time.